growing up on the farm. Very, very, very entertaining. Another family next door to us grew up on the farm. A whole bunch of boys. The hunting, shooting, fishing, bike riding, just being able to do whatever you want, not being confined to a small space, was just really enjoyable.
We've been on this little farm now for about 18 months. I'm Matthew's dad, and he's basically running the farm for us. I grew up in Kokstad on a farm, but I have never farmed myself. I think it was just by chance, really. We weren't looking at anything in the farming sort of lifestyle, if I can put it like that. But it came up on the market, and we came and we looked and we pondered whether we should or shouldn't do it. And then we realised that Matthew was interested in farming, so that was basically the reason why we bought it.
My dad and myself, we looked at the macadamia industry here on the coast, having a home on the coast. We saw the opportunity here. I'd been a year out of school. My dad gave me the opportunity to come farm, and we took it with both hands and ran with it. I've always been interested in farming, obviously having a farming family, grandparents, uncles, always being involved on the farm. Just don't think I'd be able to hold an office job. So when my parents knowing me better, they gave me the opportunity to come onto the farm, and here I am now, and loving it. Technology wise, we don't have too much technology, except we have started using aerobotics at the moment. That's pretty helpful with the management of our trees. You're able to see your problem areas, you're able to target those, making it more cost effective for you. Working with my dad, it's very interesting. Obviously he's taught me a lot of what I do know, but our working relationship is it's very transparent, and it's very easy to work with him, knowing where our boundaries are, knowing what's expected of me. I'm able to do that, and he does what he needs to do and I do what I need to do. He comes down to check up and make sure that everything's alright. I basically run it alone, but he does come down and check it, and then everyone starts walking on eggshells. We do really have a close relationship. We work well together, as we both do enjoy work. It's just a learning curve for me, and learning and trying to become the man that my dad is.